Current response times to critical incidents are too slow. The gap between detection and response is measured in minutes for active threats, medical emergencies, or violent situations. Minutes no one can afford. Cameras can't respond, and security personnel can't be everywhere. Brecourt's indoor drone as first responder systems are pre-positioned inside facilities to deploy the moment your cameras or sensors detect a critical incident. Within seconds, iDFR navigates autonomously and streams live intelligence while responders are en route. Faster, smarter, and safer. iDFR is an indoor drone and AI software combo designed to integrate with existing security infrastructure. It can launch within 0.2 seconds, flies safely inside complex indoor environments, detects and tracks threats, and streams live video and data. Remote operation allows for one trained operator within your security organization to simultaneously cover multiple sites. iDFR is a proactive solution that expands coverage, closes response gap, and improves outcomes, all without adding headcount. Every second matters. Built by Brecourt Solutions, the next evolution of security response.